Imagine Shah Rukh Khan and Elon Musk hugging each other, or do you want to make kissing videos like this? Or you want to make your body look muscular like this? If you think that it is difficult to create, and also you will not get perfect result, then you are thinking wrong. In this AI era, although many video generators are creating such videos, but the video generator I am talking about generates videos easily and efficiently because its AI technology is very advanced. Also, it can generate high-quality videos within a minute, whereas other video generators take longer. So today, I will explain the method of making this kind of hugging or kissing videos with an amazing AI video generator, called Pollo AI. Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel. After clicking on the link given in the video description below, you will come to this page. As you can see, they have written, Pollo AI is an ultimate all-in-one AI image and video generator. Later I will talk about image to video, text to video and its various features, but first we will click on the Start for Free button here, and create an account with personal details or sign in with your Google account. Once you are logged in, your interface will look like this. As you can see, there are many tools available in the left panel such as text to video, image to video, consistent character, video to anime, AI animation, AI video effects, etc. Scroll down a little bit, and you will see templates and AI effects here, which we will talk about first. With these templates you can create particular type of videos easily and very quickly. There are a bunch of options available here. Let's start with the AI kissing video. To use this template, click on it, and this is the AI kissing video generator interface. Now we have to enter the images of the persons. As written here, please upload 2 images share the same aspect ratio and feature only one person in each image. Or upload one image that contains 2 people. Here, we click on the upload button, since I have one image that contains 2 people, so I upload it. After uploading, you can crop the image if you want. Next, you can also enter a prompt of your choice in the prompt box, but the default prompt here is perfect. After this, if we enable the public visibility option, then the output video will be publicly visible in the Explore feed, and if you enable copy protection option, other Pollo AI users won't be able to see your uploaded image, video and prompt for this generation in the community. Once everything is set, hit the Create button, and it will take around 1 minute to generate the video. And here is the output. Just take a look at this. It looks really awesome, the quality of the video is amazing. Now you can create this type of kissing video within a minute with Pollo AI. If you don't like the result of the video, you can click on the Regenerate button to generate the video again. By clicking on the More button, you can add sounds to your video through the Add Sounds option, and you can upscale your video through the Upscale option. To download the video, click on this arrow icon and download video with watermark or without watermark. Now let's create an AI hug video. Its interface is also similar to the AI kissing video generator. Here we upload both of our images one by one. As you can see, I am uploading the images of Shah Rukh Khan and Elon Musk. In the prompt box, you can see that there is already a perfect prompt for AI hug. Now, hit the Create button, and in a short time, here is the result. It's really outstanding, and I am also impressed by the quality of the video. If you are enjoying the video, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's move forward to the AI muscle generator. After coming to this page, here we have to upload the image which we want to convert into a muscular body. Hit the Create button, and here is the result. Amazing! Pollo AI did a great job. Now we will talk about other features of this AI video generator, such as text to video. Click on it, and you'll be taken to this interface, where you will add a text prompt in the prompt box to generate a video. But before writing a prompt, let me tell you that Pollo AI has given different industry models such as Kling, Vidu, Hailuo AI, Luma AI, Pixverse etc. You can use these model when creating a video. But I will go with Pollo AI. Now we need to give it a prompt. Here I will give this simple prompt, a beautiful girl working on laptop. After entering the prompt, we can enhance it further using AI. To do this, select and copy the entire prompt, then click on Generate with AI, pop-up will appear, paste the copied prompt here and click on Continue. The system will suggest related prompts that you can incorporate. I select one and click on Confirm. Next, choose the aspect ratio for your video. I will select 16:9. Make sure the copy protection option is enabled, as this ensures that no one else can access your video prompt or the video itself. After that, click on the Create button. It may take up to 5 minutes to generate the video. Here is the output. It's fantastic, it looks really awesome. I am really impressed by the quality of the video it can produce. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can regenerate another version of video from the same prompt. If you wish to make any changes to the video, click on Reprompt, and you can modify the prompt before regenerating the video. Furthermore, by clicking on the More button you can add sounds to your video. Also, you can upscale the resolution of your video. And you can extend the duration of the video. So, let's add sound to our video. Click on it. A new interface will appear. Hit the Generate button. Pollo AI, generating sounds for our video. After a short time, sounds will be added to our video. Let's try one more, with different model. This time I will go with Kling 1.6. First, we will enter our prompt in the prompt box. I will write this simple prompt, a leopard walking in the jungle. After that, select the desired aspect ratio. Next is prompt strength. Setting it to 100% means it will strictly adhere to your prompt, while at 0% means it will allow for more creativity in generation. Next we have the video length options 5 or 10 seconds. Then below, in the negative prompt box, you can type what you don't want to see in the video. Once you are done configuring all the settings, click the Create button to start the generation process. After a short time, here is the output. Oh wow, what a great result he has given us according to our prompt. It looks so natural that no one can tell it's an AI-generated leopard. Now let's test the image to video tool. But before we test the image to video tool, we generate some images through AI image generator, and later we will test these images through image to video tool, so let's first click on this AI image generator button. Here you will see some models, you can choose any of them. I will go with Flux Schnell. Next, we enter our prompt in the prompt box. I paste this prompt, cute girl with little puppy walking, 3D cartoon style, 3D character. After that, you can then choose a style for your image from the various styles available here. I'll leave it on auto. Then you can choose the output image number. Finally, choose the aspect ratio according to your need, and then click on Create button, and wait for some time. Here is the output. You can see how beautifully it created 4 images according to our prompt. It's amazing. It looks really awesome. Now we download these images so that we can convert them into videos. Now we will click on the Image to Video button, and we will come to Image to Video section. Here, first of all, we will select the model for our video. I will generate the video with Pollo 1.5. After that, we will click here and upload an image. I will select the same cartoon image that I just generated with the AI image generator. Now, you can write a prompt in the prompt box if you want, but it's optional, I leave it blank. Next, select the video length. Then hit the Create button. And here is the result of our image. It really looks like a scene from a cartoon animated movie. You can use this tool to create cartoon animated stories for your YouTube channel. Now, let's jump into consistent character video. After entering the consistent character video, we can upload 3 images in the image section. Since I don't have any images, I will click on Try Sample, and it will not only give us images but will also generate their prompts. After that, we will select the aspect ratio of our video, then select the length of the video from 4 seconds or 8 seconds, and then select the resolution of our video. Next, we will choose the motion range for our video. I will leave it at auto, and after we are satisfied with all our settings we will click on the Create button. It will take some time to generate the video. And here is the video. Take a look at the video. The AI tool has generated it perfectly and with incredible accuracy. Now let's talk about the video to anime tool. Here, first of all, we will upload our video which we want to convert into anime style. After that, we will click on the Styles button and select one of the numerous styles available here such as Modern Anime version 3, Disney Pixar version 3, Cute Anime version 3 and many such styles. I choose Disney Pixar version 3. Next, write a prompt for your video, but I leave it blank. Now, with Restyle Subject Only, you can decide whether to restyle only the subject or all elements in the video. If enabled, you'll be given two options. Custom lets you specify the subject, and Person restyles only the person in the video. Next, with Custom Background, customize the background of the output video. Once this option is enabled, you can choose a color to replace the background. Finally, hit the Create button. And you can see that it has created your video into Disney Pixar style. I am really impressed by the quality of the videos it can produce. You can see how well Pollo AI has converted this video to anime. This tool is certainly providing great results. Finally, let's talk about the pricing of Pollo AI. In addition to the free plan, there are Pro and Lite plans, which are very reasonably priced. In my opinion, the price of this tool is very reasonable considering the variety it offers, and you should definitely try this tool once. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.